Hi everyone, it's your girl Amazing. I want to teach you how to dance, okay? When you start dancing traditional dance, a traditional dance is an art. And whenever you're dancing, you have to exercise as you dance. So you're literally killing two birds with one stone. And everything that we do in life, right? We can incorporate it in dance, okay? When you say women they like fashion, they do like this. When somebody does like in Mabanda, you add it to your dance, like that. I want to try it, okay? So it's like one. Do the hand first. Do the hand, and then you do the legs. And don't forget to smile. Learn how to use your 32. Well, no. And when you look down, you look up, okay? That's dance. Just use your hand, right? Okay? Up, down, okay? Go on, keep trying. We can do this the whole song. So if you don't know how to use your body, you can just be doing that. I just love the beat. I don't care what they're singing. Okay, I'm gonna change. So if you do up, down, then you do up. Okay, let's try that. Down, up, down, up, down. Then you